G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Just having a quick workout with my sons at the gym. And today talking about repetition. Repetition is the key. So some of the trades that we've had in the last few days, the last few weeks have been absolutely awesome opportunities. Some traders feel like they don't believe it. They want to see it live. And as I talk about, nobody cares whether or not I can do it live, because the real traders want to know is, can they do it live in their own trading account and put money in their own account? Nobody cares about what anybody else is doing. And the structure, the framework, the trade setups are all there. But as you now know, it all boils down to what you are able to do in live time. That comes back to being prepared, having a thesis, and knowing what your trade setups are. So we talk about 3 levels of rise. Well, if it's a 3rd level trade, or if it's a high of the day, low of the day opportunity, you should be able to identify the levels and understand that the timing is the next key ingredient, meaning 15-minute rotations. It might be 45 minutes of the first hour setting up the high and the low. Then you have your levels. They might have already locked in a high or locked in a low. Then you've got your level for your trade thesis, 15 minutes back into the high, 15 minutes back into the low. Today we saw an extended move for 1 hour down. The New York Open moved up, back up into the peak formation. Those levels are there, they're number levels. And if you are prepared, you already have those number levels marked off for you to be able to enter the trade, put your stop in place, and know that you are now in a continuation trade, back through the low or back through the high for a measured move. It could be for 15 minutes, it could be for 30 minutes, it might be for 50 pips, it might be for 150, depending on the instrument that you're trading. Unless you are prepared, you will continue to look at this after the fact and wonder why, number one, you've missed it, or number two, how can that be? How can somebody, let's see you do it live. Here's the thing. Whether I show you that I do it live or not means nothing to me at all, because I'm gonna make money either way. As soon as the penny drops for that person, that means they're not even serious, because the serious guys are actually hitting the trades, making mistakes, learning from them, and getting better on the next trade. And each and every trade that they take, they're getting better, but they're putting money into their account. Repetition and learning from each trade. If you're learning, you're growing. If you're doing the same thing over and over again, hoping that you get a better result, or wondering why, how's he doing it, I want to see it live, you're not serious. You're not actually taking the steps to improve and take the next trade 1% better than the last trade. So hopefully that makes sense. Performance is about what you can do in live time. So all these other ideas, like I've given trade setups out over and over and over again, and I still get the same stupid emails from the same people. And I could block them, but it's almost comical to read their comments, because they're sending me the same stuff over and over again. And I keep asking, what are you looking for when you go to the screen? You should basically, there's 3 types of trades. I say this over and over again: high a day, low a day, trend trades, 3 level trades, right? Squeezes, reverses, and then 3-day setups. Simple as that. So keep it simple. Know where you're at in the daily cycle. Know where you're at in the 100 pip box. Know what time it is, and then know whether or not you are selling, buying, or doing nothing. Keep it simple. Have a great day. Keep getting better, and may the markets go with you.